Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to find Oculus Pin in cell phone. So simply what you need to do, first of all, you have to open your browser. So finally you have opened your browser in cell phone. Now on the left top side there are three button option. Click here. Now when you click here, now here your account is appeared. If you haven't signed up, so first you have to create your account on Oculus. So simply click on here. Now when you click here, just go to settings. So wait for a few seconds. So here you can see Facebook setting. If you have logged in through Facebook, you can change your PIN through Facebook, but I have logged through Google. So simply you have to click here and find the option PIN. Now when you click here, so here you can see current pin, new pin, confirm pin. So now if you click on forgotten pin, so here you can request for pin reset. Now click here. So now I'm going to my Gmail to confirm the pin. So here you can see your pin reset request. So here I am clicking. So just type here the pin, new pin, like I am typing my pin here. Simply you can also type your pin according to your choice. Now after clicking on save button, so in this way you can find or reset your pin on Oculus.